Today is Tuesday, June 28, 2022. Let us take a look at today's crypto headlines. Sol price eyes 75% rally as Solana paints a bullish reversal pattern. Crypto more popular than mutual funds among millennials, survey shows. KPMG enters the metaverse, invests $30 million in Web3 employee training. Different this time? Almost all Bitcoin metrics are now hinting at a price bottom. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification button to keep supporting our channel. Sol price eyes 75% rally as Solana paints a bullish reversal pattern. Sol continued its recovery trend on June 28 while inching closer to triggering a classic bullish reversal setup. Sol's price gained 2.42%, reaching an intraday high of $39.40. The Sol-USD pair is now up 50% as a part of a broader retracement move that began on June 14 after falling to lows of $26. Sol's interim upside target is near $47, up about 20% from its current price. Solana price eyes 75% rally. The latest buying period in the Solana market has been painting what appears to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, IHS pattern. The bullish reversal setup appears when the price forms three troughs in a row below a common support trendline called TH neckline. The middle trough, known as the head, is always deeper than the other two troughs, called shoulders. An IHS setup resolves after the price breaks above the neckline level. Also, as a rule of technical analysis, the pattern's profit target comes to be at length equal to the maximum distance between the head's lowest tip and the neckline. Suppose Sol breaks above its neckline resistance of $41.50. Then, the chances of continuing the bullish retracement stand around 83.5%, with its upside target sitting at over $68, about 75% above today's price. Interim resistance levels. Solana's road to $68 could face hurdles in a confluence of technical resistance levels, including its 50-day exponential moving average, 50-day EMA, the red wave, and a support-turned-resistance line. Both resistance levels are around $47. Sol remains at risk of exhausting its IHS breakout, which, in turn, could trigger a bear flag setup. A pullback from the $47 resistance level, coinciding with the flag's upper trendline, could lead to a breakdown, as shown in the chart below. As a result, Sol's downside target comes to be approximately inside the $23 to $30 range, depending on its breakdown point. In a similar setup, independent market analyst Posty XBT anticipated Sol's price to reach $47. Nonetheless, declining volumes remain a concern, so traders should play the short-term trend until further bullish confirmation, he added. In other words, Sol's likelihood of returning lower is high after reaching $47. Solana is also down 85% from peak. Like most crypto assets, Solana has lost a significant chunk of its valuation compared to its November 2021 peak and is now down over 85%. Related. Institutional crypto asset products saw record weekly outflows of $423 million. Additionally, Solana's decentralization has faced increasing scrutiny amid repeated network outages and a recent attempt to take control of a whale's wallet via community voting to force liquidation. On the other hand, some anticipate Solana's ecosystem to grow just like its top rival. Ethereum did after the 2018 bear market. That includes Spencer Noon, the co-founder of crypto-focused Variant Fund, who said, "Solana has a vibrant developer ecosystem and its downtime issues are solvable. This will be obvious in retrospect. Crypto more popular than mutual funds among millennials, survey shows." The report, How Millennials See Their Financial Future, reveals that 40% of millennial survey participants have invested in crypto. Investing firm Alto recently surveyed adults based in the United States to find out their preferences in investing. The results show that more millennials aged 25 to 40 are investing in crypto than in mutual funds. The report, dubbed, How Millennials See Their Financial Future, reveals that nearly 40% of millennial respondents have invested in cryptocurrencies. According to the report, this is greater than the percentage of millennials who own mutual funds. Moreover, the percentage is almost equal to those millennials who own stocks. The report also notes that most millennials either already own crypto or are considering buying. However, Alto founder and CEO Eric Satz said that current conditions make it hard for them to consider investing. He explained, In a world of conspicuous consumption, soaring living costs, and mounting student loan debt, millennials find it difficult to invest for the future because they are struggling to afford the present. Meanwhile, survey participants currently holding crypto mentioned that they are likely to add crypto to their retirement portfolio. The report highlights that 70% of millennials who own crypto and have an individual retirement account hold their digital assets in their IRA. Earlier in June, another survey showed that high net worth individuals are also embracing crypto. According to the World Wealth Report, 71% of wealthy participants have invested in digital assets such as crypto, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and exchange-traded funds. The same month, a report from research firm Blockware Intelligence showed that Bitcoin, BTC, adoption might surpass the adoption rate of other technological disruptions such as smartphones, the internet and social media. KPMG enters the metaverse, invests $30 million in Web3 employee training. The long-term objective for the company is to examine other potential metaverse use cases such as healthcare, consumer, retail, media and financial services. KPMG, one of the Big Four accounting firms in Canada and the United States, has revealed the opening of its first metaverse collaboration hub to help its employees and clients pursue growth opportunities in the digital era. KPMG is entering the metaverse with a new collaboration hub that will connect employees, clients and others with Web3. The company is making a collective $30 million investment this year in Web3 experiences, with the Metaverse Hub as the signature piece. According to a Tuesday report by Fortune, the hub will be focused on education, collaboration, training, events and workshops with Cliff Justice, KPMG US leader of enterprise innovation, claiming that it is presently being utilized for such things but that KPMG intends to hire people to build it and expand it over time. The long-term objective for the company is to examine other potential metaverse use cases such as healthcare, consumer, retail, media and financial services. Laura Nowinski, Deputy Chair and Chief Operating Officer at KPMG in the US, said, "The metaverse is a market opportunity, a way to re-engage talent, and a path to connect people across the globe through a new collaborative experience. The companies will continue to explore possibilities in the crypto and Web 3.0 space, co-create new tools and solutions that provide critical insights, launch immersive learning and development platforms, recruit talent to contribute knowledge and help navigate the changing confluence of the physical and digital worlds, among other things, as part of its innovation strategy." The COVID-19 epidemic sparked people's interest in the metaverse. There has been an increase in the desire for methods to make internet contact more lifelike as more individuals work and go to school online. JP Morgan, one of the biggest banks in the United States, made headlines earlier this year by publishing a paper suggesting metaverse technology was a $1 trillion opportunity, along with establishing its own virtual headquarters in the Decentraland, Mana, metaverse. Different this time? Almost all Bitcoin metrics are now hinting at a price bottom. Current BTC price levels are being keenly eyed as a prime site for a macro Bitcoin price trend reversal. Bollinger Eyes, logical place for Bitcoin bottom. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD circling $21,000 on Bitstamp, refusing to commit to a firm trend. The pair nonetheless avoided fresh signs of weakness, leading Cointelegraph contributor Michael van de Papa to believe that an attack on important levels, notably the 200-week moving average near $22,400, could be next. In the past, Bitcoin has been a steal under its realized price, i.e., aggregate cost basis of all coins in supply. The realized price is currently sitting at around $22,500, popular trading account Game of Trades added. While few expected a clear bullish trend to emerge, long-term perspectives also placed importance on current price levels. Among them was John Bollinger, creator of the Bollinger Band's volatility indicator, who in a fresh take on BTC USD flagged the culmination of a trend years in the making. The next move, he suggested, could well be higher after a picture-perfect, double-top pattern on Bitcoin in 2021. Research. Almost all Bitcoin metrics at all-time lows. Further analysis of whether the bottom is in for Bitcoin came from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode as the week began. In its latest weekly newsletter, The Week on-Chain, Glassnode dissected a raft of on-chain metrics in various stages of signaling a bottom formation. In an unprecedented macro environment, however, nothing was certain. Within the current macroeconomic framework, all models and historical precedents are likely to be put to the test, it concluded. Based on the current positioning of Bitcoin prices relative to historical floor models, the The market is already at an extremely improbable level, with only 0.2% of trading days being in similar circumstances. It noted that those who had bought BTC in 2020 and 2021 had provided the driving force behind recent selling. Almost all macro indicators for Bitcoin, ranging from technical to on-chain, are at all-time lows, coincident with bear market floor formation in previous cycles. Many are trading at levels with just single-digit percentage points of prior history at similar levels, the newsletter added. Sentiment was no different on the day, with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index at 10/100ths or extreme fear, also constituting a classic reversal level in bear markets gone by. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any updates.